Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to watch the hamper gift that I have created for the Rakhi especially. So first I have just taken an 8-inch frame hoop, and then I started creating the outline for it. So so it is just like holding a hand, showing that okay, if nobody is there for you, I'm here for you. You're not alone. So this is the what message that I want to draw through this hoop. So I started creating first and hand holding, like one person is holding the another one hand, and it's just that hand, nothing else. So I started creating it first in giving it an outline. So first I did the hand part, then I just created some leaves petal around it to give it a very good look after overall. So here it is, and then I have just written to quote, you are not alone. And then I started first creating the outline using the black thread. So this is my way to create and highlight you. If you are using total colorful colors, then skip this part, but I prefer putting this black outline around my designs first. So doing the back stitch, I have first created the outlines over here, as you can see. So this is it, and please make sure that on the round part you are doing it very nicely, cleanly. So this is overall full design I have created through only back stitching. I have not done any normal stitching. It's just that if you are doing the back stitching, then there will be no gap. If you are doing the normal stitching, then it will come with some of the gap. So in this design, I don't want to have any gap in between of the thread, because I want to make it in a flow. So that's why I've created the back stitch. Then I started highlighting my outlines for the leaves. So I have taken this double shaded leaf color, so you can choose any leaf color according to your choice. So this was my choice of leaf petal. You can go through the one shaded thread, two shaded threads, so that's depend on you. So even you can give it in a different color thing, like you can make one darker and then lighter. Then after that, I thought to first create the hand. Let's complete the painting of the hand. Again, you can create whole hand with the thread using this color, but this color is not available for me, so I used paint. If you don't want, if you want to create it full design from the thread, then you can take easily. This color will be available in the market, you can use that, but this time it was not available at mine. But for next time, make sure I will that everything I'll do with the thread. So then I started again creating all the leaves part. So yeah, here it is. In this way I have created all the leaves part, and then this was the last design that I was creating. And this is way in total it was approx in one side 16 to 17, like approx 17-18 leaves I have created in this. So it's again depend on you what size of a frame you are using. Let's suppose if you are using a bigger frame, then you will need more leaves pattern over there. If you're using the small hoops like 6 inches, then of course you will be requiring a very less number of leaves over here. Then I started using the flower, so it's just a normal satin stitch I have used for it. You can create woven rose, you can create any choice of flower that you want, but for this I don't want to create that woven rose or any other flower type. I just gone with the simple stitch, like satin stitch. So this is how I created my whole design for the flower, one sided, and in the middle, you can see here I'm just creating again. For the flower I have uses the double shade color. Again, you can use your one pattern color, but because I have taken the leaf two-sided color, so that's why I have used for the flower also the double-sided color. Then I just complete this look with the knot type in between with the white colored thread, and then I just created the just started joining the all the leaves through the stem through using the one design, like one brown color, not it was not shaded with the two different color. So this is how I just created. Again, I have just taken the chain stitch design, but yeah, you can again use the back stitch. So but for this I have just taken a chain stitch in a stretched part, not like it's looking like a very stretch parts, as you can see. So here overall design my complete. Then I started using the paint. Again, you can use any thread. I just wanted to do it with the paint, so I just created that with a paint pink color choose, as it was showing the girl hand, so that's why I used the pink shawl kind, and this is the men arm, so I used blue. Then after that I started again with the back stitch. I am creating the "you are not alone" sign. You can create it using the chain stitch. So there are different type of stitches are available for the alphabet. So for with the help of that I have created this "you are not alone," and then using the back stitch, and then you can do, this is the final look. So I used this in my hamper. So in the next video I will show you that how I packed my hamper. So stay tuned for that video, that what I included in my hamper. So here it is, the final looks. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in another video. Bye bye, till then, bye bye, take care.